Hi, I'm Den, and today I want to show you how to balance a Canon 5D Mark III with a Samyang 14mm fisheye on the Steadicam Merlin 2. The first thing you've got to consider is mounting the camera plate to the camera. Now on most DSLRs, the optimum mounting hole is the O hole. That's because the camera is offset with its weight because of the battery grip, and you're looking for the center of gravity, which is somewhere around here. So the O hole sits nicely in the plate. Next thing to do is attach the plate to the stage. Now what you'll notice at this stage is the camera's very one-sided heavy. And what we're trying to do is achieve a pendulum effect where the weight comes down and brings the camera into alignment. Now what I've done is I've worked out for you that you need a start weight, 2 mid weights and an end weight. So let's pop that on there. The next weight to put on is the nose weight, because what you can see is we've actually managed to counterbalance quite nicely, but the whole camera is tilting up slightly. So a nose weight here will just bring that down into alignment. Now in most cases you'll need nothing more than a start weight on the nose. So that's the starting point. We've now actually got a nice counterbalance. But what you'll find is it's penduluming forward because the weight is too far back. If you imagine a line down the axis, the weight is dragging the whole camera back. So we need to pull this forward, and the way we do that is by lengthening the stage. So 1, 2, 3, let's try that. Now by lengthening the stage, of course, you pull the weight back, you need to bring the camera stage back to counter that. Okay, bring that back a bit further. Okay, it's tilting forward a little bit. Let's now just use our trim controls situated here. If it's tilting forward, let's use the tilt up function. There we go, we're getting very close there. And just use the trim controls on the back, using the spirit level to get our left and right axis balanced. Now what you'll find with the trim controls, there we go, a quarter turn is more than enough to adjust it. So let's now have a look. Back and forward, side to side, nicely balanced. And now finally our drop time, 1, 2, to increase the drop time, you use this column here. Press this button in the front and turn it once, and that is anti-clockwise. Let's have a go again. 1, 2. Nice and slow there. And now we've got a nicely balanced Canon 5D Mark III. Hope you found these tutorials useful. Really, it was born out of me getting frustrated not knowing how to balance this rig. So someone showed me and I thought I'd share with you my methods for doing it. It always takes a bit of practice, but once you balance it correctly, it's amazing how easily you can fly this and create some really stunning shots.